So this is our downstairs guest bathroom. I don't know why there's a shower in there since it's really more like a half bath functionality thing, but whatever. The house has 5 full baths. And there's the mirror. Could be better. I mean, it's functional. It's fine. It's a nice shape, but you know, there's so many more statement pieces that really dress up a bathroom. This pedestal sink. It's fine. It's very classical. I had one in my old house many years ago. But we bought a blue glass bowl that's going to go in its place. And of course, we need some sort of countertop to set it on. And we bought a new faucet a while back. It's one of those that kind of pours out like a little ramp thing. But you'll notice here we have Tuscan brass. It's kind of hard to tell with the light on, but that's brass. Tuscan brass. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't need a new air vent because we're painting the ceiling with white no matter what. The electrician's coming by tomorrow to install a plug so we can have a smart toilet. Obviously that toilet paper roll thing will be replaced with something more not brass or Tuscan brass like they have here. So we have new shower tiles picked out. We're doing a little accent thing with that. The shower door is going to be some sort of chrome thing with the roller wheels at the top. Don't know what we're doing with the faucets, but we'll figure something out. I already removed the floor vents. I got that going to be replaced. I appreciate that there's shutters on this window, and I don't understand why there's a window here, but it'd be great if the shutters were functional. Yeah, I don't know who does this. There's some questionable choices there. And then last, hardwood floors in the bathroom. Why? Who does this? Why do you hate me? I mean, we're getting some sort of tile in here. We don't know what. We haven't purchased it yet. But the fact that these are getting ripped up is sort of forcing our hand into remodeling this bathroom pretty quick. So that's happening sooner than we hoped, but it'll get done. So that's it. You've seen the before, and now here's the after video on this bathroom. Replace these door handles from the brass ones. And now it is done. So replaced also the hinges and the door stopper. Painted the walls this aqua sphere color. replaced these Decoro switches and plugs with some Legrand brushed nickel ones. Got a heated floor system underneath this new tile. I think it's called sandstone. Got a new floor vent. And of course there's new vanity. And the sink with a pop-up stopper. And then this, pretty cool. So when it's cold water, it is blue. Lukewarm, it's green. And then red for hot water. And at night, in the darkness, this whole thing lights up too, so it's pretty cool. Got a soap dispenser from Ross. That little thing from Kirkland's, that from Home Sense. Got a little hand towel rack. Oh look, there's 50% of the design team. Hi! Lighted mirror. And then it's also got a heated option. New light. And of course there's also this accent wall. It's tile. And got this from Home Goods, I think. A smart toilet that opens up for you when it senses you're nearby. Got a new little trash can from Ross. It matches the soap dispenser. And of course there's the bidet control. Here, this is pretty cool. You'll never lose this bar, so you don't have to fumble with it a lot. This granite is called Mescal Zone. It's got a lot of really cool shiny features. It's what they call a leathered texture, so it's kind of rough, but it's really nice. And of course, this glass bowl, it's clear, so you can see stuff through it. So with a clear vessel sink like this, you wouldn't want to sink it by cutting a bigger hole and lowering it. The other thing with this faucet was it had a very short neck, so I had to have them add some risers so that it could fit through that and be able to reach the top of the vessel sink. Of course, GFI plug for the smart toilet. And then there's the new shower door. Decided to embrace all the curved lines in the room, you know, with the round faucet, the round sink, the round mirrors, you know, kind of pill-shaped light there. Painted the ceiling from beige to white, and then added a decorative, like, mirrored chrome sort of piece. It's not actually chrome, it's just mirrored. It's by a company called Saba, S-A-B-A. And then, so sliding glass door, you will notice the Kraken. And we got custom matching knobs to match that shower drain. So it's marble and then glass tile pieces there. And I can't explain why there's a giant window in the bathroom on the main floor that looks right into the neighbor's dining room and their teenage daughter's bedroom. So only thing I could do is frost it because, well, yeah, that needed to happen. Then we got a little nice alcove and bench as well. So, oh, and then the towel rack that matches the other towel rack and the toilet paper holder. And then some art with some sand kind of glued in there with some sandpipers and all that. Yeah, that's about it. And all these drawers are soft close too. And the shower door basin tile match the floor tile here as well.
just smaller versions of it.